Welcome to Coastal 101. I'm John Kelly. Pellet grills are a coastal favorite. It's all due to that smoky flavor and mouth-watering barbecue creations. Green Mountain pellet grills, like this Daniel Boone model we're using today, are among the best, with digital controllers, micro-variable adjustable speed fans, and the Venturi-like style firebox to circulate that pure hardwood smoke and flavor. Jess Ropp from Coastal is going to join us for some pulled pork cooking today, tried and true recipe for any pellet grill. For our pulled pork, we used a bone-in pork butt. The rub is super simple to make. Just mix all the ingredients together and then apply it to the meat before it goes on the grill, fat side up, for 4 hours at 250 degrees. We sprayed it every hour or so with apple cider vinegar. After 4 hours, we took it off and gave it a good spray with vinegar, wrapped it in tinfoil, and put it back on the grill for another 4 hours, again with the fat side up. Once it's done, you take it off the grill and let it sit for 45 minutes before unwrapping. Ours has been sitting out for the recommended time. We pulled out the bone and shredded up. Serve it up on hamburger buns or all by itself with veggies and slaw. Your Northwest owned and operated Coastal knows a thing or two about pellet grills, with models like Green Mountain and Traeger, and a full line of pellets with that distinctive smoky flavor and all the accessories you'll need to keep your family and friends well fed and happy. Thanks for watching.